Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square. This doesn't take up a lot of time, it has a lot of gaps, and then it's not a big yarn eater either. I will begin from the center and work my way out and show you every step of the way. So you can do this only by following this tutorial. For the yarn, I've used a DK weight and then I've used a 4.5mm hook. Remember, if you think this is going too fast, you can always slow down the speed in the settings below. And if you love granny squares as much as I do, you can jump into the playlist where I'm working on doing a tutorial of the granny squares in the world. So let's begin. First we make a slip knot. And then we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do a double crochet in this first chain. So yarn over and do a double crochet in the first chain. And then another double crochet in the same chain. So insert the hook in the same chain again and double crochet. So now these chains count as the first double crochet, and then you made another 2, so you have 3 double crochet in total right here. Then you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you find this little space down here. You do another 3 double crochet into this space. So just insert the hook in the same space again and do another double crochet 3 times. So that's 3. So now you have another little cluster of 3 double crochet. Then you chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And then you do another 3 double crochet into the center. And then you have another little cluster of 3 double crochet. Then you chain 3 and do another 3 double crochet into this, and continue repeating this until you have 6 clusters of double crochet. And when you have that, you finish with a slip stitch in the top chain over here. So just insert the hook and slip stitch, and then you're done with this round. Now we can break the yarn and pull this one through. And we will now change the color. I changed to the red. Now you will join this red yarn in any of these chain spaces. So you just insert the hook and pull this yarn through and tie a little knot. And then you insert the hook, pull up a loop, and then you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these 5 chains now counts as the first double triple crochet. Now you do another 2 double triple crochet into this same chain space. So you yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then you insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Then you do another double triple crochet into the same space. So yarn over 3 times and do another double crochet, another double triple crochet in the same stitch. So now I have 3 double triple crochet in this space. Then you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then in the same space, you will do another 3 double triple crochet. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook in the same space again, and then you'll do 3 double triple crochet. So that's it. This you will repeat in all the other 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go ahead, move over to the next one and do 3 double triple crochet, then chain 3, and then another 3 double triple crochet. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook in the next space, and finish your double triple crochet. And then repeat all this in all the other squares, in all the other spaces. And then you finish the round with a slip stitch in the top chain you started with. So slip stitch. So now we break the yarn and switch to the final color. So just pull this through. And then I have this green color. Attach this in any of the chain spaces, just with a little knot. And then insert the hook, pull up a loop, and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then in this space you do 2 triple crochet. So yarn over twice and do a triple crochet into the space. And another triple crochet. And then this chain counts as the first triple crochet. Then you did another 2. And then you will chain 2. 1, 2. And then in between these stitches right here, you will now do 1 double crochet. So yarn over and insert the hook in between these spaces, stitches, and double crochet. And then chain 2. And then this one will be our next corner. You will start with a triple crochet, so yarn over twice, insert the hook, and finish your triple crochet into the next space. And then yarn over twice and do another triple crochet in the same space. And after that, another triple crochet. So 3 triple crochet. Now you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you do another 3 triple crochet in the same space. And that will be all our corner spaces. That will be 3 triple crochet, then chain 3, and then 3 triple crochet. So that's our corner. Now we chain 2, 1, 2. And then in this next space in between these stitches, you'll do 1 double crochet. So just yarn over once, insert the hook in between the spaces, and double crochet. Then you chain 2, 1, 2. And then in this next big space, you will do 1 single crochet. So just insert the hook and do 1 single crochet. Then chain 2, 1, 2. And then in between the next spaces right here, you'll do 1 double crochet. And then for this next corner, start with a chain 2. And then you'll do 3 triple crochet, then chain 3, and then 3 triple crochet again. And then you have the next corner. Then you chain 2, 1, 2. And then in between these spaces, you'll now do a double crochet. And then chain 2, 1, 2. And then you'll do the next corner, which will be 3 triple crochet, then chain 3, and then 3 triple crochet. Then you repeat this again. After this corner, you'll then do what you did over here. Chain 2, then a double crochet, then chain 2, then a single crochet, chain 2, then a double crochet, and then the next corner, we will meet up at this corner. So just do 1 corner here, then double, single, double, and I will meet you up back here. And when you make it back here, you chain 2, and then we have this final corner, which we did the first part of. So now we will do 3 triple crochet. And then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then join with a slip stitch in the top chain over here. Slip, stitch. So now we completed round 3, and we will now do the finishing round. So you chain 1, and then you will finish with 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So in this first stitch, you single crochet, and then in the next stitch, also single crochet. And then for each of these spaces, you'll do 2 single crochet into the space. So insert your hook into the space and do 2 single crochet in each space. Then in this next stitch, just 1 single crochet. And then in the next space, you do 2 single crochet directly into the space. And then over here, you do 1 single crochet in each stitch. That one, and also single crochet in this one, and in this one. And then we make it to the corner, where you will do 2 single crochet in the space. 1, 2. And then to turn the corner, you will chain 3. And then do another 2 single crochet in the space. And then 1 single crochet in each of the remaining stitches. And remember, for each space, you'll do 2 single crochet in each space. And to finish it up, you do a slip stitch in the first stitch you did. So just insert the hook in the first stitch and then slip, stitch. Then you break the yarn, pull this hook through, and you have your little square. I think this is very rectangular. That's not, yeah. Okay, so I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!